Hello friends, this is core task 7 of block correction technique, in which we give 3 demo of pre-block correction, in-block correction and post-block correction. So what is that? First start with what is block. Block means when we stuck somewhere in middle, like I'm saying my. So I stuck in my. So when we stuck somewhere, that is called block. So what is block correction technique? Block correction technique means when we stuck somewhere and with using some technique or some method we come out of that block is called block correction. So there are 3 types of methods which use to come out of block. The first is post block correction. Post block correction means, like I am saying, my name is Chalendra, in which I stuck in M. So I take a deep breath and stop for a few seconds, and then I again try to speak, and again I again stuck, then I again stop, then take again a deep breath, then I again start. This is called post block correction, right? Second is in block correction. In block correction means when you stuck somewhere and you stop that position and use any technique like bouncing, prolongation, and we come out from that block. There's few videos in YouTube of mine in same channel of bouncing, prolongation, which you can see what is that techniques. So like I give an example of this, like I my name is Chalendra, in which I stuck in my way. So I use prolongation technique and take I use this prolongation technique and come out from block, and I easily said my. The third method is pre-block correction, in which we reach to block and without reaching to block we use any technique and come out of it, like hello, na, sorry, I repeat it one more time. Hello, my name is Chalendra. Here I struck in so I use prolongation technique and I come out of it. These are 3 block correction techniques. Thank you.